A, little a. B, little b. C, little c. D, little d. E, little e. F, little f. G, little g. H, little h. I, little I. J, little j. K, little k. L, little l. M, little m. N, little n. O, little o. P, little p. Q, little q. R, little r. S, little s. T, little t. U, little u. V, little v. W, little w. X, little x. Y, little y. Z, little z. A is for apple. B is for bird. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for frog. G is for grape. H is for hippo. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nail. O is for owl. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for volcano. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. A is for alligator. B is for bee. C is for camel. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for koala. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nyala. O is for orca. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for tiger. U is for urial. V is for vulture. W is for wolf. X is for xerus. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Connect the dots to form the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, Y. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. A, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N. Excellent. A is for airplane. A, B, C, D, F, G, J, L, N, O, P, Q, T, U. Right on. C is for caterpillar. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, L, M, N, P, Q. Marvelous. D is for donut. Drag the letters to complete the alphabetical order. Fantastic! Nice job! All right. All right. Awesome! Bravo! Find the object that starts with the letter A. Good for you! A is for airplane. Good thinking! B is for bird. Keep it up! C is for cake. Fabulous! D is for donut. Amazing! E is for eggplant. Awesome! F is for frog. Try again. Amazing! G is for guitar. Fabulous! H is for house. Nice job! I is for igloo. Try again. Fantastic! J is for jellyfish. Excellent! K is for knife. Fabulous! L is for lollipop. Keep up the good work. M is for mushroom. Nice job! N is for nail. All right. O is for orange. Awesome! P is for pig. Brilliant! Q is for queen. Keep up the good work. R is for raccoon. Good for you! S is for sponge. Way to go! T is for tiger. Good for you! U is for ukulele. Try again. Good thinking. V is for volcano. Good for you! W is for whale. Keep up the good work. X is for X-ray fish. Fantastic! Y is for yo-yo. Good for you! Z is for zebra. Drag the letters to spell the word. Apple. Fantastic! Ant. Way to go! Banana. Good thinking. Let's build puzzles. Nice job! Keep up the good work!